I'm here to tell you about Nutra Harmony's Leave-In Hair Serum. I have used it about 10 days now. This hair serum was gifted to me for my honest review. I've used it for several days now, and my hair is naturally dry and frizzy. This is the normal state it looks like before I style it. It's dry, it has potential, but it's very dry and prone to frizz. This hair serum I have found is very great. It has some natural, wonderful ingredients of rosemary oil, castor oil, keratin, and biotin, all things that are well known to be great for your hair. And I simply put it on twice a day. I've been doing it morning and night, and I can feel my hair absorbing it. It's as if it is a coating that makes it smooth and silky almost immediately. I love that it's leave-in conditioner. I like to put it on the bottom 3/4 of my hair, and you're going to be able to see a difference when I brush it. It feels really nice. It's got an ever so slight floral scent, not very strong, but it feels really nice. It has a creamy whiteness to it. I just put a pump like that and apply it. I enjoy the smell and the feel so much. I find myself wanting to do it, and it feels really nice. It also protects, and you can say goodbye to frizz. You can just feel the hair molecules calming down as the strands relax, and it's very soft and subtle and has shine, which is not something my dry hair typically has unless I produce that with a product or a treatment, but it feels very nice and soft, silky smooth. You can see the difference. I love it, and I will be using it twice a day. You can see how soft the hair has relaxed. It's like it's closed the cuticle and it's relaxed. I can style it or not. It's just soft enough and pretty enough to wear it just like that. But most of all, I know that it's helping my hair to heal and naturally be more soft and manageable.